Now, this is not an official apology, but we certainly have to revisit the issue of the veteran T20 Universe boss, Chris Gayle, this evening. The last time we spoke, Gayle was condemned to the bench and had not played a single game for his Kings 11 Punjab franchise in the IPL. That was rooted at the foot of the table. Since then, Gayle has played 3 games and Kings 11 has won all 3 games. With Gayle scoring a half-century in the first, he was then pivotal in the double super over win in the second, and then a quick fire 20-odd in the third, all contributing to winning causes. So despite what the Jamaica Talabas franchise was thinking and what the management of the Kings 11 Punjab were trying initially, or what the Maverick and other pundits were saying about Gayle at 41 years old being under decline and was overstaying his welcome and was inviting disrespect and blah, blah, blah. Let me put it this way. Chris Gayle not done yet. He is still very much relevant and still has the ability to dominate in T20 cricket. Gayle continues to defy the natural aging process. So while this is not an official apology, we just say renewed respect to Chris Gayle. Yes, yeah, man. Renewed respect to the Universe boss. You win the toss, my boss. Enough cricket ball, you lost.
Sports commentary brought to you